Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Straight Edit Content and Flash Custom Designs. And today we got something awesome to show you. Just a really quick video. This is our daily workload, right? So what I'm about to show you might be able to see it behind me, but this is our daily workload of what we do there she is.
Welcome back to Flash Custom Designs. Thank you so much for all your orders. We appreciate you. The orders have been overwhelming and such beautiful designs. The color has popped. We have changed our ink to a brand new ink that I think you guys would love. So stay tuned and look at all the beautiful designs.
Yep, so let's check out all these awesome designs again. This is, you're not gonna see this anywhere else. You're not gonna see this process anywhere else. Only we can do this. So let me show you guys these awesome designs that we're shipping out today. Look at this. Oh, well, first let me show you how long it is. Look at that. Look how long that is. You guys have seen some other videos of ours where we talk about, you know, a 34-foot sheet and stuff like that. This right here is probably right around maybe 30 feet and not including this right here. So this probably in our store is 1,300 square feet. So it's very long from there to there. I don't know if you guys can really see on camera, but it's very long as I continue to walk. And then we still have those prints over there. So let me just show you guys the detail and what you guys can get printed from FCD Vinyl and Apparel. So these are all gang sheets right here. This whole thing is a gang sheet. It's not all going to one person, but I think this is going to one person, or maybe both of these. My wife, she knows all the details, but if you see your image here, make sure you put a comment down below so that we can shout you out. So we're just showing, who is this? Empire Custom Paint Mafia, so shout them out. Empire Custom Paint Mafia, there's their information, shout them out. Go ahead, hit them up if you're in the area. Got the Vikings. Claudia's Cleaning, shout them out if you need something cleaned and you're in that area. But you see in this one, I like this one because if you notice, this is her sheet, right? This is her sheet, but you notice we were able to fit all of these little logos in here so that she could put these on shirts or on the front of shirts and stuff like that to really maximize her space. But look at the detail. Look at the colors. Come on, look at that. Look how vibrant that is. Look at this picture right here. Look at that, guys. Look at all these different colors. Look at him do free NFT. Look how vibrant that is. Look at that. Look at that, free NFT. Look at, like, this is just so dope. These are all the different things that you can do with our transfers. Look at all these different circle ones that we were able to put on there. You would have to order a minimum of 10 with Supacolor or somebody else you have to order a minimum of 10. But with us, you can do words and prints and different colors. Look at this gang sheet. This probably is the most unique gang sheet that I've ever seen. You got a picture here that's gonna go on a shirt. Got some handprints here that probably go on the front of a shirt, you know, like the top left pocket. Another one over here, you see us turned sideways so that we can fit it. This might go on the front or on the back, but just look at all these different colors. Meat at the vegetables, that's funny. Uptown Farmers Market. See how this one's turned sideways so we can fit it in there? Like I said, we do everything we can to maximize your space on a sheet. So all you have to do once you get this sheet, because we're gonna mail them to you today, you just cut it out and press it. And all these people here, they obviously have a heat press, so they're able to really maximize each logo on their sheet. So somebody who's selling, come on, this shirt right here, that's whether or not that goes on a shirt or on a hoodie, it's up to them, right? So if they take that image right there, that free NFT, if you put it on, let's say they put it on let's see if this pink shirt matches. This will be kind of cool, right? Even if it's for a guy, right? That might be really cool. So that image on this shirt, even if it's for a guy or maybe even like this, that's a $25 to $30 shirt. Easy all day, let alone if they put it on a hoodie like this or a black hoodie or something like that. Now you're charging 35 to 40 bucks. You know what I mean? Or if they put it on a jacket, now you're charging 45 to 50 bucks. That's just for one image. That's just for one image. So the sheet is only gonna cost them 20 bucks, that's it. This sheet right here, it looks like that they got two. So they got two. So that one image right there pays for their entire first sheet. So this image pays for this sheet, this image pays for this sheet. Now they're all profit. So each time they press to another garment, they're just making all profit. And that's the reason why we created this process, so that you guys could make money off of our sheet. That's the reason why last year our sheets were a certain price, and then I had my epiphany. I was like, you know what? We gotta drop the sheets. We gotta drop the price. Babe, you sure? What if we this and what? I said, no, listen, we gotta make sure that the people who buy our sheets are able to make money. So that's the reason why they are $19.99. You can't beat that price. And look at all the different abilities and images that you're able to get on one sheet. You're gonna make your money back tenfold. Look, as we go into this wall of ink test, but look at this one. So look, this is one sheet, this is another, because they got the double logo. But look what we were able to fit on the inside, because it fit here and here. So look at all these different beautiful logos and colors, never enough dice. Look, we were able to fit some more armor class, armor class, armor class. All these right here can go on a shirt. This is a shirt, this is a shirt, this is a shirt. We're looking at, I'm in Texas, right? So it's very cheap here. So I'll say 25, even if you did it for a dub. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, right? That's bare minimum cheap. Even though these are dope graphics, that's Texas prices. In New York, California, these are $30 t-shirts all day, especially if they're on Bella Canvas. But we'll just do, for craps and giggles, $20 shirt. This logo right here pays for this sheet. That logo right there pays for that sheet. Now you're all in profit. Now that, and you're getting the shirt, chances are these guys are getting the shirts for pretty cheap. So you get them for like $5. So even then, you're gonna make your money back, especially if you're selling a shirt at 25 to 30 bucks. And look at each one. Like, come on, these are unique graphics, custom designs. You got the Dunkin' Donuts, you got the Jurassic Park. Like, this is crazy. Everything rots. Like, you're really gonna make your money back tenfold with our sheets and our ability, because other people force you to buy. Supacolor is gonna do this. Supacolor is gonna say, look, you can only get this image in this size right here. Supacolor is gonna say, look, you can only get this image in a certain size and you have to order a minimum of 10. No, if this person just wanted just this sheet right here, it's 20 bucks, right? But look at all the value that they're getting for 20 bucks. This is insane. Like, this is, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 little logos on top of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 big logos that they're getting on one sheet. This is 20 bucks right here. Tell me that this isn't worth more than 20 bucks. And that's what we're selling it for. So we got some other stuff over here. Some other logos right here. And again, every time, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 little logos on top of all those big logos. So now, not only can they put it on the back, they can also put a small one on the front. That right there is 20 bucks. You can't do that with Supacolor. You can't do it with anybody else, because they're gonna say, well, you can only, we can only send you this logo right here. And again, they only bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So technically, with Supacolor, they would have to buy 2 more. With Supacolor, they would have to buy 2 more just to hit the minimum. They wanted 8 and 8. With us, you can do that, and you can get different sizes. And if there's room, we're gonna throw you in another logo. This one, they went with all the same size logos, but each one of those, if they're pressing these on a shirt at 20 bucks each, look how much money they're making. So as we finish up, we got a mail. You guys have seen this in some of my other videos. Like I said, look how long that is. These are just the sales today. These are just the sales today, guys. These are just, you see I'm out of breath because I'm getting down and getting up, but I'm just super excited. This free NFT one, I need to get a hold of you as I cover NFT content on my channel. But we just wanted to show you guys that this is what you can do. You can flip these sheets. So even if this guy right here, isn't pressing these on clothes and he wants to actually sell this sheet, he can do that. He can buy the sheet from us for 20 and he could sell this sheet for 30, 40 bucks easy all day. You do not have to, that's the difference with our sheets. You can just sell the sheets to somebody else at a markup. We want you to do that. We want you to make profit off of our sheets. That's why we price them so low. So just take this video. It's a little quick video. It's definitely not as edited and as thought out as all the other videos, but we had to get you guys some content because all the other videos are going viral. They're going crazy. So we truly appreciated it. And when I seen this load today, this big load that we need to get out now so that you guys can get it. We got a lot of people who want stuff for the Super Bowl. So your stuff is coming. Trust me, you're going to get it. So we just wanted to let you guys know that, hey, listen, we're working 24/7. Yesterday was our son's 10th birthday. Happy birthday, Donovan. Happy 10th birthday to you. We were still busting our butts so that we could get you guys your sheets and your content and stuff like that. So if you could you please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be updated for all of our new videos, because we get asked a lot of questions, but we need you guys to be able to, we need you guys watching the videos so that whenever you're asking us questions, you know, like we're having to like, you know, say it again and stuff like that. So, but if you guys could like watch the videos, we truly appreciate that because we got so many calls and stuff like that coming in. So we're trying to give the best customer service as well as have our everyday lives. So thank you guys tuning into this video. Make sure you smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and comment down below if you have any question on how to order. But the link to order is always in the description below. The link to order is always in the description. And then check out all our other videos so that you can really get to learn about heat transfers and stuff like that. And please purchase the transfer and sell it. Please, we're begging you, purchase the transfer and sell it. You don't have to even have a heat press. You don't even need a heat press to make money off of our transfers. Just drop ship our transfers, wholesaler transfers, do whatever you got to do. All right, guys, we love you guys. Be safe, be basic. Peace.